So, what's up?
चालू कर दिया
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah, I made a coffee for you, so
So sweet of you. So,
no, it's probably the last time.
no, I can't. I don't want to fight over a coffee in the video, and it's our first video. So, here we have Mr. Arnav Sharma with us, and I'm basically an anonymous person who wants to ask some questions to him.
Actually, the people who knows us both will definitely know.
So that's not the question. We are actually targeting some audience who will bring us lot of money and etc things. We have wasted a lot of time. So back on the track. Today is International Men's Day, and our hot topic is International Men's Day. Obviously, I want to know first of all, why should we celebrate Men's Day? Answer.
So why should we celebrate Man's Day?
Yeah. I'm a girl and I want to know, why should we?
See, we celebrate everything because of reasons. Because people are not all people. Actually, I would say most of the people. And when I say most of the people,
99.99.
yeah, 99, more than 99% of the people are need some kind of motivation and appreciation to them, and they need some outer celebration for them so that they can perform or do well or whatever they are doing. Actually, this is supposed to be a natural appreciation or whatever it is, that you are doing good work, so we applaud for you, just like we recently uploaded for Corona Warriors. So
In the lockdown,
yeah,
right?
in the lockdown. So if men are doing good work,
You did it? The thali thing or whatsoever.
yeah, definitely it was fun.
Okay, cool. And how should we celebrate it?
You can celebrate it by just simply, looking forward to what you look in a man. Just for example, I'll explain it to you that when there is something, it's been in a culture that systems are being made, that women used to stay at home and men used to
Go outside and earn
go
money.
outside and earn money and manage the finance work. So whatever they are doing, they are going out, staying away from their family, and doing whatever the other stuff that they are doing. So for that, we should be,
Thankful.
not thankful. Actually, thankfulness is something that comes from within.
Not on a particular day. You can thank someone, but we do on Women's Day, right? We thank the women we have
I
in
don't
our
see
life.
any problem in someone appreciating someone over on a specific day. Even if it is a specific, they are at least appreciating.
You never appreciated me.
No, it's not like that. I don't think so.
So you are going to post
You're
about
just
me.
joking.
So the hot topic again. The first hot topic is Men's Day. So obviously the second hot topic is Women's Day, because today is Men's Day. Otherwise, all 364 day, it's the hot topic is the Women's Day.
No,
So
I
do
don't
you
think
do
so.
you think the Women's Day is overrated? I'm asking a controversial question. Yes or no?
Well, I actually don't think so, because I'm not that much active on social media
Oh,
these days.
dude, come on, yaar.
No,
You are
I'm
just
not actually.
okay. Say yes or no. That's it. I don't want any explanation. According to me, you are saying yes. I'm okay with it. According to me, you are saying no. I'm okay with it.
No, there are some questions which they are actually.
Do you think it's overrated? Do you think feminism is overrated?
I wouldn't say feminism is overrated. I would say feminism is misunderstood.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So, Women's Day is not overrated.
There is nothing to be overrated about Women's Day, but what actually you are doing on Women's Day, it does matter.
So, don't you think that there are more women and less men who have changed your life? Likewise, on Women's Day, you can thank your mom, your sister, your girlfriend. anyone, but on Men's Day you have lesser people, according to me, because that's my personal choice. I'm asking. Maybe there are some people who thanks their dad more than their moms. So basically, but you know what, yeah, people do accept that they are more close to their mom rather than their dad.
Actually, what I think is that guys do think that they are close to their mom, and girls do think that they're close to their dad.
Because you are. Okay, leave it. So Women's Day is not overrated according to you.
I don't actually know. As I said, I'm not that much active
Okay,
on social media.
right? No, it's not about act. It's
It actually, you should ask why. If you are saying is it overrated or not? So I don't think, because I have not seen that much of content over it. Because as I'm not active on.
but as much as I know, you are a good reader. You read about some stuffs, or you read about some articles or
I read
blogs.
about the stuff that is useful.
So Women's Day is not useful.
The
Oh my
overrated thing
God.
you're asking about is not useful for me.
Fine. So
And
what do you think?
Anyway, whatever the day is, what I think is that one should think beyond the gender factor and just see a human being as a human being.
Okay, nice and diplomatic, yet a very confident and good answer, which actually each and everybody should accept. The next question is, who cares and sacrifices more, like a man or a woman?
The one who cares more,
So
irrespective of the gender factor again.
okay, so don't you think girls are more responsible than men?
See, that's what I'm saying. That you can't specify the responsibility depending upon the gender.
Okay, so the next question is upon the gender itself, that do you think men can cry?
Yeah, definitely. What's the problem in that?
No, you are a man, you are supposed to be strong, you don't have any kind of flaws or any kind of weaknesses. How can you cry? Will this
What kind of
society
strong?
accept
I
you?
think physically you are more stronger than me. actually.
How can you point on my physical strength? Okay, so men can cry, or they should, I think. Sometimes,
I
it.
won't say that they should actually, because unless the tears are of joy,
Okay.
because it is actually fashionable these days to cry out of a misery to get attention. Of
No, but
people.
men can post the saddest status on WhatsApp. But
still
that's what I'm saying. But they can't cry because they are stronger. They don't want to show that I'm the person who has vulnerabilities or who has flaws. But they, what they want. They want to put a sad status, or they want to hear some sad songs on the YouTube from a specific playlist to show that they are broken or they are lonely or whatsoever.
I don't know about those guys, because I used to, listen sad songs when I was a kid more than I am right now, to get to the sleep.
Can you sing a song?
uh,
Just tell us the lyrics. I know how besura you are, so leave it.
no, it's better if we continue to the topic. It's not the singing
No, I
class
can.
going on.
The song I can remember. I have saw you crying a lot of times because you are.
Yeah,
Because
actually I do cry. I cry every few days.
really,
Yeah, but the tears are of joy and
I
energy
thought some
burst.
nibby left you. That's why you cried.
That's not even my love won't be that kind of love.
Okay. So, what makes a man stronger, according to you?
Again, irrespective of gender,
What makes a human being stronger?
their inner capabilities, how involved they are in.
But this is
every each and
Men's Day,
every
dude.
situation.
I have to stick to the topic.
Yeah, okay, let's talk about
Okay.
man. So basically, when you say man, you are we are talking about the dominant masculine part
Hmm.
in a human being. So, what was the question? Actually,
The question was, what makes a man stronger?
yeah. So
The muscular body or the feeling that
The masculine is more stronger actually. That's what I think. Naturally.
Okay, I'm just asking the feeling that their family is dependent on them, the feeling that they can buy their girlfriend some expensive gifts, or the feeling that they can fulfill their own dreams. Does these things give a man a confidence that they are a man, they have become a man? और people are like, क्या आदमी है तू, तू ये नहीं कर सकता, तू परिवार को पाल नहीं सकता. That's why I'm asking, are
A
these
man should be a man when he is doing something really useful for the people around him and himself.
the first priority should be himself, right?
No, it's not like the first priority should be himself, but he should be in a state where if he is naturally joyful, then only he can do something useful for the people around him. If he is totally miserable, he can't do anything useful for the people around him.
Cool. Okay, so the next question is according to you, only according to you. Don't go on the facts or don't go on the trends. Who contributes more, woman or man, in a particular society or globe? According to you, around the universe, who contributes more? Answer.
Well, according to me, as you asked, spiritual people contribute most to the world, and after them, animals and all the nature.
Wow.
That is because they are not causing any harm to
The
any-
other
Yeah.
human being,
Yeah.
other being, other
being-
creature.
other creatures and on this planet, because as I remember some quote said by Sadhguru that says that if insects go extinct, the whole existence will die within, like, I don't exactly remember, but 19 days or something like that.
Really?
Yeah, whole existence will wipe out.
I am shivering.
Totally. So this is what
I
kind-
agree, we can't fight the nature, and Corona has proved it.
Yes,
You know,
definitely. So
maybe
but-
this is because of
let
human.
me complete my quote.
I'm the good. Okay, I'm sorry.
But if humans go disappear, the planet will flourish.
Cool. So we need to balance such things, and
Yeah, definitely, because
we should not be overconfident that we are making this nature
But-
beautiful, or
but on the part that you have asked, that who contributes more, but basically what I think according to me is that this world needs more feminine part right now, because like women are also entering the corporate world, and they're going out. I'm not saying that it is wrong, but even in men I'm saying that feminine part should be like balanced. Masculine and
Like
feminine
Shiva.
part should be, yeah, like Shiva, definitely. So there should be a balance between feminine and masculine part. Right now, what even women are saying is that we are stronger, and even I've seen women saying that be strong, don't cry, and all of that. But being feminine doesn't mean that you are just crying or over things or like that. It just means that you are more sensitive to things around you, and it's good to be, because right now there are only six senses,
okay.
right? We can see, we can feel, we can whatever the six senses are. But if we like in girls, you will see, being a girl, you would have noticed that, you would have absolutely noticed that you get a vibe when you get close to a person.
Definitely.
So that is because your sensory boundaries have expanded, because feminine part is more dominant.
Right.
So you are more sensitive to things around you, because there are not only the things that we experience through these six senses, there is much more beyond that.
Okay.
So that's
It's
why
Men's Day, dude. You are talking about the feminine part. Okay, cool. You have named Sadhguru, so I want to know the top 5 men, celebrities definitely, who has changed your life or who has somehow impacted your life, because it's International Men's Day.
I don't think I'd be able to say 5 of them.
Just try, give it a try.
But as I said, Sadhguru has Sadhguru's videos actually, I won't say that it has completely changed my life, but to a certain point, it have given me the
Clarity.
clarification about the things that
Yeah.
should be there
Hmm.
in one's life, the basic things there that one should take care of.
Okay.
So
Second.
second,
Just try.
okay, so
Maybe Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi. There are several names. Come on, dude, you can do it. Virat Kohli.
no.
He was your icon, you know. Obviously, every cricketers love him. Just because he is Virat Kohli. And he has his own achievements, I know. AB de Villiers, maybe.
He plays good cricket, but
No one.
not in any
No,
way
dude.
he has
Seriously,
impacted
dude.
my life.
Seriously, dude. So only Sadhguru, right? So far.
Actually, I'd say that, but to some point, I think every man and woman have contributed to me for
So-
making me what I am today.
I'm asking the next question. Top 5 women, celebrities who actually has inspired you or did something for you. Celebrities, come on.
Celebrities.
Yeah.
Why
Don't
just-
take my name. Don't take
why,
my
why
name.
just celebrities?
Don't take my name. It's okay. No, celebrities. I want to know the celebrity's name.
I don't know actually.
Okay. Name one man personally who has changed your life.
Me, that's me, definitely me.
Seriously, dude.
Yeah.
Well,
Because I don't think anybody ever can
You know,
change my life.
I
other than
know,
me.
I know a person can, but in a different form. Like I told you earlier, there is one more person other than you who is in my life and who is making me happier. And who is that person? Guess. Gandhi ji, yaar. Obviously, that person in a different form can make me so much happy.
Why is that so?
Money, baby, money. Okay, name.
He's not a man, by the way.
Oh, that's
money,
true.
money. It is not.
Oh, that was too controversial. हमारा चैनल स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही बंद हो जाता dude. Okay, one woman who has changed your life.
I've already said okay, you're not asking the celebrity this time.
Definitely, dude. Take my name.
So yeah, in a big way, you have impacted my life a lot when I was
Thank
just
you,
starting
thank
to
you,
grow.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Because I will tell you this that you know,
Don't appreciate me. It's man day, yaar.
I'm not appreciating. I'm just telling what it is actually. If
Go
you
ahead.
want to take it as appreciation, that is your choice. But for me, it is what it is.
I'm
And
gonna
I mean-
delete you from the video. I'll just post the audio. Okay, continue.
So actually, when I was growing in a situations or in an environment where I didn't had too much to think, people were just telling me that do this and don't do this. Do at that time you were the one who actually told me to whatever you want to. So from that time, I think I started exploring myself and exploring the things, and I didn't even heard anyone. Actually, I even stopped hearing you after that because I just wanted to do what I actually wanted.
तो मेरा सिखाया हुआ इतना आगे चला गया that you are not even listening to me. But right now you are
No,
listening to me.
I do listen actually, but you know there are phases, so we won't talk about that much right now.
It's a
It's a
you know
personal
it has become like between you and me only. So back to that. Happy International Men's Day, and may you become a good man, a good human being. According to me, you are the best.
No, you actually asked me. I don't consider him on a gender basis, but you asked me that who is the person who is the man who has changed, impacted my life in a big manner. So I named Sadhguru, who is present right now, and definitely I'll take more name which is also present every moment, and even right now, that is definitely Shiva. He has impacted my life a lot in every way, because right now, in my perception, and even I am very much clear about through what I define as Shiva, that everything that exists right now is because of Shiva, not as a Hindu god, but what I mean as a Shiva, as Shiva.
Mohammedans are not going to watch our video.
See,
Definitely.
Shiva has never said that he's a Hindu god.
Really?
Yeah, he haven't.
Now Hindus are not going to watch our video.
See, they are a kind.
Leave it.
They are
It's-
both kind of.
See,
both kinds of
according to
people.
me, Shiva is half man, half woman. Obviously, which actually we know
And
Ardhanareshwar.
because only because of that balance that Shiva has, this world can exist. This universe can exist.
But I don't consider him as a celebrity. I consider as him as my personal ideal. So definitely, yeah, he's not a celebrity. I would name that person like not Gandhiji. Obviously, Shiva has given me the strength, or has given me the confidence, or has given me some positive vibes, which I actually do need. So happy Men's Day to Shiva as well. Okay, so thanks for being with us, and we will definitely meet you soon. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah, most probably tomorrow, I think.
Bye. Good night.
Bye. Thank you.